Kura Uone.
Kura Uone.
This is how it started off, really. It went like... Kura Uone, 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 Kura Uone.
He is releasing his new song, Kura Uone. And basically, to me, it means growing pains. And what that means is going through life, learning, and also just seeing how when you're a child you don't really realize some of the things that have to come, but also just appreciating life and how precious it is. So yeah, it's coming out soon. Please support it.
What I like about Tinashe's Kura Uone song is it has a great beat, it has a really good sound, great lyrics, and I think the meaning of the song is really relatable to a lot of different generations and cultures, and it really makes you feel something. And I think it's just going to be a really great hit and going to be a really great track.
I have to thank my fiance Sarah for helping me out with the lyrics for the second verse, okay? So I'll sing the second verse for you. It goes a little bit like this. Right? In the eyes of man, I realize this life's amazing. Amazing realities of knowing God and loving people. It never was promised to be easy. Life is what you make of it and choose to see. I've come to know, now that I'm older, oh, Mati, Kura Uone, Kura Uone mwanangu, Makati